Really cool thing. On Fridays, I do trade reviews. That's what today is, Friday. Therefore, I chose a trade review from out there on the real life trading community to talk about, discuss, analyze, break down, and segment about what we could have done good, better, great, bad, and all in between. Hope you enjoy this trade review.
Hey traders, what's going on? It's Jeremy Alexander Newsom. Shh, don't tell anyone. I'm stepping away from a quick vacation to give you a trade review for today. Today is Friday, and every single Friday I like to review some trades that we took and just kind of talk about why. Specifically, I have been on vacation all week, and I'll be back in the swing of things on Monday. Monday actually starts our real life trading moderator challenge. Check this out. If you haven't heard about it, it's a phenomenal time to join RLT because we are having traders from our team and community take over the microphone and become incredible, enriching, amazing human beings. This is our trading calendar, our schedule, which is on our website, as you can see. Robert Falco is doing the 11th and 12th, Chris Rimbolt 13th, 14th, Adam Ferragalli 15th, Thomas Wong 18th, 19th, and so on and so forth. So you can see everyone who's pretty much being a part of the morning rooms for those days. It really will be quite serendipitously splendid. Really, really pumped about it. And all of those traders would have absolutely and easily dominated BABA. So this was the big win for the day, and I'll kind of scroll in here. So realistically, you can see pretty early in the morning, this was the BABA setup that Brad placed officially with some options. So we're doing options expiring this Friday, and those options worked out really, really well. A lot of traders did play it with shares, but it worked out good. So here's Scott McKay snagging 1.3 Rs, and his buddy Steve also did really well on BABA. But really, it's just a very classic setup. That's the thing. So talking through it, this is one of the 5 stocks that we're following every single day. And you can see tons of bearish candles, bear candle, bear candle, bear candle, bear candle, bear candle. So you have 5 bearish candles in a row. And look at this open on BABA. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, the thing is you got to understand is today is Friday. These options are cheap. The options that we were trading doubled. I mean, you're talking a 100% return if you're trading options, doubled. So when you have a gap like this, I mean, this is a perfect gap. You're gapping over multiple days, and it's not only a gapping over multiple days, it's just barely gapping above all of these highs, and there's no real resistance in the way. Phenomenal gap on Alibaba. And again, it really depends on how you played it. If you're following our exact challenge, the 2-minute chart, 2-minute chart, your entry is most likely somewhere right around here. So if you're getting in bullish, you could have gotten in bullish around 199.5 with a stop at about 198.5. So that would have been a pretty easy risk-reward ratio on Alibaba. And if you played it with a 3-minute chart, so here's the 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart, you see nice little bearish candle, then 2 tweezer top type of candles right here. There's not a tweezer top in the extent of it's a bull candle followed by a bear candle. It is a bear candle followed by a bull candle, but the highs are almost the exact same, 199.44 and 199.45. So your entry would have just been right above there. Again, 199.5 with a stop down here, probably 198.5 and some change. So that would have worked great on a 3-minute. And then if you trade on a 5-minute chart, you just played it above the high of that bearish candle. I mean, it was a perfect bullish gap and go. Easy, clean, simple, no stress, nothing to worry about. Just nice, gorgeous move. And honestly, congratulations for all of those who just absolutely wrecked it. A lot of traders did very, very well on BABA today. So again, congratulations for those who did it. Vitaly got himself 1.5 Rs, which is great. Jason battling back. Joel battling back. Oscar done for the week. 2 trades, 3.1 Rs. How great is that? Dale Ryan, look at my man over here. 0.95 on NVIDIA and 2.5 Rs on BABA. I mean, that's just stupendous. So really, really good stuff. A lot of great gaps recently. Yesterday, I could have a review all day long yesterday. Square and Roku were the 2 best gaps I've seen in my entire life up until today on BABA. Square and Roku were the perfect gaps yesterday with the 2-minute trade, gapping above the high. Just phenomenal. We're tearing it up my heart when I'm with you. Is that the way that song goes? So good. Shout outs to all the traders out there at the RLT community. Thank you. I hope this trade review was helpful. Baba, perfect gap and go, clearing a bunch of pivots, nice, easy, small gap. Trade, perfect setup on 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Any time frame that you're watching, gorgeous across the board. Well done for all the winners out there. And let's keep enriching lives together. I will see you on Monday. And until then, love life, live life, and trade. Bye.
Okay, that was your Friday trade review. Thank you for watching. You are a majestically marvelous human being. I'll see you later. Bye.